to be here. Hello and welcome to the first unboxing video from VK Vlogs. I hope all of you guys are doing amazingly well. Today I have planned to unbox the latest HP Pavilion 1001 TX laptop, which has recently hit the market, and I thought to make some nice unboxing video for you guys. Let's check it out. Well, I never had a zeal of making unboxing videos before this, but I watch Unbox Therapy a lot, and I love him. I love Lewis, and the whole idea of making unboxing videos came from him. Of course, apart from Lewis, I also follow a lot of tech, and I watch a lot of unboxing videos from MKBHD, Day2D, and a lot of laptop and tech videos. So yeah, so this is inspirational and a tribute to Unbox Therapy, doing his way, his style. Let's see what we have in store with this laptop. So this is the all new HP 1001 TX, and the specifications right in a moment. So this is the premium range from HP, which is the silver color. Fantastic to me. What else? Some official paperwork from HP, and power brick juice cables. Alright, are you ready to boot it up, guys? Let's see what we have got in store here. Let's see if it has some juice already. Well, I don't have a Willy-Do or a jack with me, but I have my own jack, which we'll reveal later. So let's keep it for some surprises for the next time maybe. So I'm booting up the laptop now. So let's see. Here we go. Nice logo. This is the backlit 1920 into 1080 full HD screen, and it has a fingerprint sensor over here, which I'll show later. And I just need to recognize because I have not registered my fingerprint. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's in, and we are all running our new laptop. How does it look? So it has two USB slots here, a headphone jack, a USB Type-C slot here, a micro SD reader here, a nice touchpad, very smooth with all the finger gestures, which are of course the latest ones. B&O Bang & Olufsen speaker, nice grill, backlit keyboard, very nice typing on the keyboard, and this is Intel Core i5 8th generation with NVIDIA GeForce 2GB graphic card. And on this side, if you see, let's get it down, it has a fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C, Ethernet connector, charging port, and an HDMI slot. Well versed. So now we'll do the sound test of the speakers. Let's see how they come up, and of course I'm gonna play an Unbox Therapy video. Let's see. I hope there's no ad. There is an ad.
Apparently this is a very nice laptop. That's the word on the street. It's the new Surface Laptop 2. Look at it. It's stealth mode. It's low profile. I've heard good things about the keyboard as well, which is, it's sort of become the...
So the voice is really nice. It's coming onto the ears really nicely. It's got good treble. Let's play a nice song to check the bass. Let's see. not the best of the base, but quite manageable. It's good. So the price of this laptop in India is approximately 77,000 Indian rupees, which is approximately 1,100 US dollars. I still don't know if it is available in other international markets, but I recently bought in India from HP store, or you can even go online and choose your own version of it, because it offers different RAMs, different memory sizes, etc. So you choose whatever is best for you. I do a very mild or a little heavy editing work, and I edit my pictures on Photoshop. I use Lightroom, Illustrator. So, and I am an avid traveler, and I really wanted to have a very lightweight laptop. So I think this one was the right choice for me. Seeing the availability in the market right now, I didn't want to move my brand from HP to any other, because here lies my loyalty. So if you want to buy this laptop, I think you should go for it. You should trust my instincts, because I did a lot of market research before buying this, and I think it's a worth deal right now in the market available. You can also go for the touchscreen version, the NV1, but I hardly doubt the stability and there might be some maintenance issues. I was just skeptical about it. So yeah, this is the one which I have bought, and if you want, you can go for it. And I'm leaving the links down below in the description box for all the laptops that I've been talking right now. And I don't want to say, please subscribe, share and like and comment. If you like this, do whatever you want. Peace, signing off for now. Keep watching VK Vlogs.